Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching on Steam. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Steam library, find Black Ops 6, right-click it, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This checks for any missing or corrupted files and fixes them automatically. Next, type Task Manager in search and open it. Head to the Details tab, scroll until you find Steam.exe, right-click it, and select End Process Tree. Confirm it. Now go back to Search, type Steam, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and try launching Black Ops 6 again. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers to make sure everything is up to date. If it's still not launching, go back to your Steam library, right-click Black Ops 6 and uninstall it. Once done, reinstall the game and try launching it again, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.